Well, that was quite a night's sleep. We got some rain coming through. We had a bunch of water in the tent and everybody's cold and wet and tired. To give you some idea how wet everything is here, even the underside of the plane has condensation on it this morning. But here we go. We're going to take off from Johnson Creek this morning, and from here go to McCall, get some fuel, and then go over to Boise to visit my friend Lisa and spend a day or two in the state capitol. So hopefully that'll work out better than last night did.
Yeah, you don't get good reception down in the valleys for sure.
Have you been up around Thomas Creek at all, that far north?
And Johnson Creek traffic, orange at 10 miles, departing the pattern to the south. Johnson Creek. Wonder if you can see the bathtub from here. So what'd you think of last night?
It wasn't awesome, especially when it started to drip on my face.
Yep. So we had the door open a little bit for ventilation, and then it started raining, and it came in the window and soaked my feet, created a puddle.
Boo.
Boo.
So here we are in Boise, and I know there aren't any mountains in the background. So here's what happened. We went to Cascade to get fuel, and while we were there we discovered a pretty significant issue with the exhaust. The tailpipe had come off of the muffler, and it was a pretty big issue. Arnold Aviation in Cascade really helped me out there, and I can't say enough great things about them. They really went out of their way to get me back up and running. So then we came down to Boise, and here in Boise we've been kind of weathered in for a couple days now. I'm hoping to get back out tomorrow and reconnect with everybody and do some more hiking and camping, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, Monday afternoon here in Boise, and I'm looking at the Garmin tracker for the guys I'm meeting, and they seem to be on the move. So I'm going to start getting going myself, get everything packed into the car, head over to the airport, and see if we can't make this happen. It looks like there might still be some wind, so I may just hang out at the FBO for a while and see if that calms down any, but at least we're making some progress.